A pharmaceutical salesman went undercover to expose his company for illegally marketing an addictive cancer drug. Bruce Boyes was tasked with promoting Actiq, a pain-killing lollipop containing the opioid fentanyl for treatments not approved by the FDA. He worked with FDA investigators to expose the practice that put patients at risk of addiction or accidental overdose. In the season finale of CBS's Whistleblower, judge, former police officer, and host Alex Ferrer spoke with Boyes about what it took to expose illegal marketing at the dawn of the opioid epidemic.
Every day was different. Every day was exciting to me.
Until 2000, when Bruce Boyes, a pharmaceutical salesman at Cephalon, was ordered by his boss to promote drugs off-label to doctors, meaning for purposes that were not approved by the Food and Drug Administration, in order to boost sales.
It's not legal for a pharmaceutical company to promote off-label.
I didn't do very well at all with selling off-label because my heart just wasn't in it. I didn't think it was right.
So he took action and contacted investigators at the FDA. They wanted proof his company was breaking the law.
A couple agents sat down and talked to me about what the company was doing and asked me to bring material to show how they were doing it.
In 2003, agents asked Boyes if he'd wear a wire at a Cephalon national sales meeting.
I thought, if that's what it took to stop a company from doing what they're doing.
Boyes was outraged when he heard a sales rep describe how he was promoting Actiq, a medical lollipop made with the extremely powerful opioid fentanyl, to general practitioners.
Fentanyl is a very strong opioid. It's about 100 times stronger than morphine.
Fentanyl is the drug that killed Tom Petty and Prince.
Fentanyl is very easy to overdose on.
The FDA had approved Actiq only for cancer patients in acute, uncontrolled pain, a very small market. Cephalon, though, pursued a much larger one.
They eventually marketed it for low back pain and migraine patients.
What problem did you have with that?
Oh, that was trouble. You're talking about a class 2 narcotic, and you're giving it to a migraine patient. So it puts patients at risk.
Boyes was fired when the company learned he was working with the FDA, and then his fears about promoting Actiq for off-label use were realized. Robin Geistwick, a migraine sufferer who took Actiq to dull her headaches, became tragically addicted.
It hooked her right away. I wish Robin had never taken that Actiq. I think she'd still be alive.
Peter Chatfield is Boyes' whistleblower attorney.
In light of the opioid crisis that we all know about, would it be fair to say that Bruce was the canary in the coal mine?
I think with hindsight about what's happened, it absolutely was. We had never seen anything like that, and you can see what happened. It took off from there.
And Alex Ferrer joins us now. Alex, good morning. An opioid lollipop is a serious thing. So what did the FDA learn putting a wire on a salesperson that used to work with this product?
Well, one of the things they learned was how open and blatant this illegal activity was. It's illegal to market drugs off-label for a pharmaceutical company. And here was the director of marketing standing on the stage at the national sales meeting telling the entire sales force or bragging about the fact that they're selling all these different drugs off-label, which is illegal. And one of them, Actiq, the one we're talking about, you had people who were found basically dead with a lollipop in their mouth because they should not have been taking Actiq.
Right.
It is incredibly powerful. Fentanyl's 100 times more powerful than morphine.
Right. Alex, thank you very much. Scary stuff. You can watch Whistleblower, Opioid Lollipops, the case against Cephalon tonight. It's part of a double feature season finale that begins at 8, 7 Central, right here on CBS.